What's happening in the Jeffersontown real estate market right now? Let's break down the April 2026 numbers and what it means for buyers and sellers in J-Town. There were 134 active homes on the market in April with an average list price around $468,000. Homes are taking about 61 days to sell, which tells us buyers are slowing down and comparing their options more carefully. There were 58 closed sales, averaging about $433,000, with homes selling in around 46 days. That gap between list price and sold price shows buyers are negotiating more and focusing heavily on value. There were 36 pending sales, averaging about $396,000, and they went under contract in just 29 days. This shows that well-priced homes are still moving quickly. There were 18 canceled homes, averaging about 71 days on market, and 6 expired homes that sat for around 96 days. Most of these homes were priced higher, which reinforces a major trend in today's market. Overpricing can lead to longer market times or no sale at all. So here's the big picture. Jeffersontown is a more balanced market than we've seen in years. Buyers have more choices, sellers need stronger pricing strategies, and homes priced correctly are still selling fast. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Louisville real estate market updates.